So it says that an element delta L equal to delta x I caret is given with delta x value also given in the question. સીધી રીતે પહેલા જ આપી દેવામાં તમને શું આન્સર છે? Did you understand this? Yes, no. Yeah. All values are given in the question, right? મેં કઈ સાથે લખ્યું નથી, જે છે એ મૂકી દીધું. Got it? 1 centimeter converted to meter because we should use SI units. So, પછી a current is flowing. How much current? 10 ampere. So it says that carries a large current, 10 ampere. Oh, very large. What is the magnetic field on the y-axis at a distance of 0.5 meters? Okay, figure is given. Alright. So we want to find out the magnetic field on the axis at a distance. How much distance? 0.5 meter. આ બેગ હવે અહીંથી હલવી ન જાય. ઇધર જેના જેના હાથ હડશે બેગ ને બધાના હાથ દુખી જશે લખી લખીને. ઓકે, શું જોઈએ તમારે? ટેક્સ્ટ બુક જોઈએ છે. લાવ્યો છું? શું વાત છે? આ તો પાર્ટી આપવી પડશે તારે. બે સેમ ને. Okay. So what is the magnetic field on the y-axis at a distance of 0.5 meters? So let's draw the diagram. Here is that little current element. Okay, book ma એ લોકોને differentiation થી કોપિક લાગે છે. That's why they do not write D. What do they write? Delta. Okay. D એ લોકો તો વાંધો નહીં, delta એ લોકો તો વાંધો. Okay, here's the current element. And this point is here. At how much distance? 0.5 meter. So R vector draw करवाना है ना? Where should we draw R vector from? Where should we draw R vector from? From the current element. Is that clear or not clear? Everyone got it? So R vector ने माने vector form में लगो ये तो શું લખો? Something I get, something they get. What should I get? 0.5. What should I get? 0.5 J caret meter. Did you understand? Why 0.5 J caret meter? Why is it 0.5 J caret meter? In the y direction. Clear or not clear? This is in the x direction. That's in the y direction. Understood that, everyone? What do you think? Now what do we want to find? What is the magnetic field? Magnetic field means dB. This is a current element. Magnetic field due to current element at this point. That's the question. So dB vector equal to, what's the formula? Mu 0 by 4 pi. That is IDL vector cross R vector upon pi. So the value you gave, mu 0 value, what will be that value? 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. I hope everyone remember this. If k की value याद आ गई थी तो मैं k equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9. If they mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 4 pi. Into I, how much I? 10. dl vector is 10 raised to minus 2 separate and I caret. Did you get it? Cross R vector. What is R vector? 0.5. Okay. See, what you can do is you can write 0.5 here. Numbers don't play any role in vector cross product. Did you understand this? Yes. I repeat, 0.5 can give. It doesn't play any role. You can put it out there. Did you get that? Divided. R cube. R cube means 0.5 cube. Okay or not okay? So what cancel? 4 by 4 pi cancel. Okay. here power માં કેટલા है? 10 raised to minus how much? Minus 8. Got it? Into 1 0.5 will get cancelled. Denominator માં તો હશે 0.5 square. 0.5 square means 0.25. Okay or not okay? And I had cross J. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this is going to be K caret. Unit of magnetic field?
Tesla.
Okay or not okay? Unit of magnetic field? Tesla. Clear? So this is the magnetic field. 1 upon 0.25 is 4 થાય ને? So 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 K caret or Tesla K caret. Alright? This is the answer. Method is clear? કઈ નથી કર્યું ખાલી ખોટું. I don't like this method. Okay, magnitude sorry, dp equal to formula શું છે mu 0/4 I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, તો mu 0/4 pi માં લેવાય મૂકવાની છે મૂકી દે બરાબર ને. I is tan dl, dl only magnitude, how much magnitude 10 raised to minus 2 into sin theta sin 90 બરાબર ને. Why 90? Ideal is this way, r vector is this way, so angle between them is 90. Is that clear? Sin 90 is 1 divided by distance square એટલે 0.5 square એટલે 0.2. So magnitude આવી જશે. આવડશે ને magnitude. Now what about direction? Direction we can always find by right hand rule. So ideal આ બધું r vector ideal cross r x y છે, so ideal cross r છે. Clear? Have you get that one? Okay or not okay? Yes. Thank you. Got it? So that's the other way. Fine. All right. Now let's go over to the next topic. આનો આ એક જ ટોપિક કરાઈ લેજે. Yes. You remember I told you before a while that magnetic field does follow superposition principle. Yes or no? Yes. You remember that? Okay. So here is the first chance to use it. Number title magnetic field on axis of current carrying loop or coil, the circular current carrying circular loop or coil or ring. Okay, current carrying circular loop or coil or diagram is very critical here. Let's say that there is a ring. Okay, right now I am drawing it as a ring, but the same logic works even if it's a loop, single loop or a coil. Coil what is it? Lots of turns. Right? Lots of turns. Here is the center of the ring. Let's say its radius is capital R. Book માં symbol અલગ use કર્યા છે, but we will maintain the consistency here, so we will keep it the way we are taking. Capital R always indicates the radius. Okay, got it? Now where is the axis? 3D માં છે. Positive. Okay, so we are going to draw the axis of this ring. Arm ring same job. Do you get it? So the axis will be pointing. Let's say that. Clear or not clear? Okay. Here is the next. Now on the axis we'll take a point P, for example over here, and we will find out the direction of the magnetic field over there, assuming the current in the ring or the loop is this way. Current in the loop is flowing in this manner as I am showing over here. ઉપરની side current ક્યાં જાય છે? It is coming towards us, outwards. નીચેની side current ક્યાં જાય? Going inwards. Did you get that? Let's say this is the front side. Front એટલે આ બાજુ. તો ત્યાં current and let's say this is the back side. Did you get that? Sure. Okay. So here I will draw a couple of currents here at some places, right? So it's here, and it's coming out. I'm trying to draw it the best I can do in 3D. સમજાય છે આનો મીનિંગ શું ડ્રો કર્યું? This is coming out and here it's going in. Is it fine? Not fine. So dot cross code હોય તો કરી શકાય, but generally in your textbook they use dot cross for magnetic field, પણ ચાલે કે ખોટું નથી. So here the current will be dot coming out and here the current will be cross going in. Is that okay? I still insist that you show it. Alright? Is it fine? Okay? નીચે અંદર જાય છે અને ઉપરથી બહાર. Fine? એટલે અહીંયા કરંટ ક્યાં જશે? ડાઉનવર્ડ. ઓકે, પણ આપણે આનો કઈ યુઝ નથી હો. આ બેનો કઈ યુઝ નથી. And here the current is going up. Understood? Ideal કોને કહેવાય? Current element. Is it? Current element is always taken in direction of current. અહીંયા આમ અંદર. Okay? Now I want to find out what the magnetic field is. So let's define some distances. So for example, this distance is smaller. Again, keeping it consistent with what we have been doing. Smaller stands for distance from the center to some point. Correct? Now, time to write down magnetic field due to some current element. આ બેનું લખવાનું નથી. Is that fine? આની પર એક નાનું cross મૂકી દો. Okay? We are not going to use it and it. Okay, this one. Right? Let's begin. So here, if current flowing is I and current is flowing this way, as we have shown, so current element over here at the highest point, in which direction? That's it. Clear? Yes, no. Current element is in this direction. Coming out. You isn't it? From the highest point it is coming out. Barabar with position vector. Come karo. Just one. This is R, but then that R will create confusion when we draw R vector. Just one change here. Let's make it X. X out. But the formula badline karna. Okay, let's make it X, not R. Reason is we are going to draw R vector, so you get confused with it. So from here, I have to draw position vector of this point. Do you understand what I am saying? આમ છે ideal. ત્યાંથી R vector draw કરતા આમ નહીં થાય. Do you agree? It won't be horizontal. Slanting આમ નીચે જશે. Clear or not clear? Yes. Why so? Horizontal હોય તો આમ જશે. It's not there. It is downward. Agreed? So R vector અહીંથી અહીંયા draw કરો. Okay. Here. This is R. Did you get that? Okay. So magnetic field in direction to what? Right side. Right side क्या? आम? Is that clear? Or not clear? Yes, no. It's completely normal to say no. This is one point where mostly students say no. Who got this? Okay, very good. Okay, so those who have not got it, no problem. First of all, let's consider that this is ideal and this is R vector. I know R vector is like this actually. But let's say it was like this. I will just start. The R vector is in this way. So this pen indicates the cross. Ideal vector cross R vector. बराबर तो कई डायरेक्शन में आम હોય તો આમ આવે કરેક્ટ ideal આમ R vector આવશે તો ideal cross R ઉપર is this fine? Yes, sure, everyone got that? But the truth is that this R vector, the blue one, is not that side. It is slanting down. मुझे नाने did you get that? I have tilted it downward. So our dB ने सुधार लो. As I tilt it down, dB starts tilting towards the right side. Correct or not? Everyone got it? Okay, so dB vector arm. But the angle between dB vector and R vector will always be 90. So ये क्या देखा? Did you get that? Angle between dB vector and R vector will be 90. The property of cross product. When you do cross product, always you get it perpendicular to the other. Fine. So Now let's say that here we complete a triangle and this angle was theta. Let's say this angle was theta. Okay. Now this theta is not the theta of the formula, mind you. Okay. So if this is theta, this angle is of course 90 minus theta. Any queries? Now this is the current element here and this is the magnetic field due to that current. Do you realize that the magnetic field due to the opposite current element here is in this way? બરાબર એનો પોઝિશન વેક્ટર એના માટે પોઝિશન અહીંથી આમ રાખો. Is it fine? Then what would be the direction of magnetic field of this? Downward. આના જેવું જ આવશે. Yes. Did you understand? So that this angle is 90 and this is once again dB. Clear or not? Yes. Sure? Anyone needs further explanation about this? If yes, I can throw it. Otherwise, we move forward. Sure? Okay, what this angle? Same as 90 minus theta. Not theta. It will be 90 minus theta. Is that fine? Yes. Okay. આ angle theta નહીં હોય. આ તો theta જશે ને જેવું ઉપર જેવું નીચે. Symmetric. Yes or no? The same thing here. Symmetric. Clear? Yes. All right. So what have we drawn? This is one current element and position vector, and this is one magnetic field. This is another current element which is diametrically opposite, and this is its magnetic field. So आगे ना components थશે. Okay. पता क्या नहीं था? Let's cancel the component. Let's draw it carefully. So this is going to be dB sin theta. Correct or not? Sin 90 minus theta. dB sin 90 minus theta. So dB cos theta. Why so? 90 minus. Because if I take vertical, then that's going to be sin 90 minus theta. Correct? Yes. Sure? Yes. Can you समझाओ? A vertical component तो dB sin 90 minus theta, but sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay. Similarly here, on this side dB sin theta, because cos 90 minus theta is. But these are clear or not clear? અત્યારે મેં આમ કરી નાખ્યું. સપોઝ એકદમ મને લાગે આ બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝિંગ. તો અહીંયા થીટા લઈ લેજો. નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. ઓકે. એનાથી કંઈ ચેન્જ કરતું નથી. ઓકે. સિમિલરલી ફોર ધી અધર વન. એવું જ આવશે ને? dB sin theta left right side and dB cos theta downward. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? So which one is getting cancelled? The one along with the axis or the one perpendicular to the axis? The one perpendicular. Axis सामने है. The one perpendicular to the axis is getting cancelled. Only which component remains? The one along with the axis. That is dB sin theta. Clear? Patlu thing. Okay. Okay. This is the main understanding part of the whole. હવે ખાલી લખવાનું. Let's speak. Ring carrying current I, radius R. આ બધું લખના કરો ને. એને લખો. ઓકે. પછી હવે હું ચાલુ કરું. Point P is at distance x from center C on axis of the loop or coil. Alright, this is on the axis of the coil or the loop. The magnetic field due diametrically opposite current element cancel each other. Vertical લખો હોય તો vertical અને બીજી રીતે લખો હોય તો cancel each other the vertical components, or you can write it as cancel each other's components normal to the axis. In my view, this is a proper dispute. Vertical करता है normal to the axis. આ sentence નો meaning શું જાણો? એનો શું જાણો? Let's read it carefully. Magnetic field due to diametrically opposite current element. एक ऊपर एक नीचे. Is that called diametrically opposite? Yes. एक आड़ा एक end पर और भी जाए. Correct or not? So magnetic field due to diametrically opposite current elements cancel each other's which component? Vertical. Whatever or which components? Normal to the axis. I-axis. Normal to axis कौन है? Perpendicular. Did you get it? Sure. Okay. So you can say the resultant magnetic field is only along the axis. Therefore, magnetic field due to the entire loop or coil, whatever you like, is D equal to integration of dB sin again here. Which components are cancelled? dB cos theta cancelled. Okay, what's remaining? dB sin theta. Can we integration करो? So basically what this means? We take every magnetic field, small magnetic field, but when we do integration, we will not consider the vertical component. We will only consider horizontal component. Why? Because we know vertical component is going to get cancelled. We will only do integration of horizontal. Clear? Then integration of not dB. Normally આપણે આવું લખે. આવું ન લખે. પણ આમાં કેમ આવું લખે? Because the vertical component always gets cancelled. So only integration of d sin theta. Fine. Completely clear. Okay. So this is easy. So okay. Can we put dB's magnitude? Can we put dB's magnitude? How much? Formula to mu 0 by 4 pi IDL sin theta. E theta theta ભેગા છે? No. This sin theta is separate. એને તો હું પહેલા લખી નાખું એટલે કન્ફ્યુઝન ન થાય. What is this theta? જે dB ની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે બાયોટ લોવર. એમાં જે theta આવે છે what's that? Angle between current element and position vector. તો current element क्या? આને લઈ લો ને. Current element out and position vector this way. So what's the angle between them? 90. Is that clear? Sure. કેવી મજા થઈ ગઈ બધું ત્રાસું છે તો એ એંગલ 90 આવે. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So sin 90. Okay. Upon r. Okay. We can do one more thing actually. તમે આ sin theta નો લખ્યું હોય તો the next step માં કરજો. Look at this nice triangle. This is x, correct or not? Yes. This is r. So what is sin theta? Opposite of r upon small r. Clear or not clear? Yes. Opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Opposite hypotenuse. Clear or not clear? Sure? Yes. R, 1r. Okay. That's it. હવે આમાં variables બોલો. mu 0 constant 45 constant 990. The one thing you current તો બધી same જ હશે ને. When you are doing see what are we doing? We are taking current element here and we take current element here like that. We take it throughout the whole. Did you understand? Yes or no? So current તો બધી same જ. R stands for what? Distance of that current element from this point. Do you realize that over the whole ring that distance will not change? if you draw a circle, you're going to draw. આમ મૂકીને આમ circle draw કરો. તો આ point થી આનું distance થોડું change થાય આમ પર. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. Because it's actually like this, that suppose this is r vector. Okay. एक horizontal x અને r. તો આમ આખું પર છે એટલે ring બનશે. Correct or not? Yes. So this length will never change when you turn it. સમજાય છે? Sure. So r vector, when you take it at this point or this point or this point or this point or this point, the distance r will never change. Direction will change, but this is not direction. It is just value. Right? Everything clear? Sure. So ये तो variable है. Capital R. ये तो पूछा है? Not पूछा है क्या? So capital R is obviously not value. बाकी सब value. कहीं कहते हैं बुधवार? So next step. Therefore B is equal to mu 0 by 4. I is outside. Capital R outside. R cube outside. Did you get all of that? Understood? Integration of dl. What is integration of dl? L. L means what? Length. कई length ऊपर integration करो. અહીંયા बड़ी length add करवानी है. 2 pi r. Okay, anything cancelled? Yes or no? So શું આવશે? mu 0 પછી I પછી 2 pi r square upon 2r cube. Is that okay? આટલું લખો. બરાબર. પછી અહીંયાથી પૂછીને મતલબ derivation out say this is an important derivation of this chapter. Maths ખરેખર બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. ખાલી એક ડાયરેક્શન્સ ખબર પડી જાય તો કઈ કરવાનું નથી. કોઈ એવો ક્વેશ્ચન થાય છે કે આ બે એડ કરીએ તો આ 2 આવે. રેઝ યોર હેન્ડ. Okay. Why aren't we writing 2? Because anyways we are going to do integration over the entire ring. So 2 ક્યારે લખવો પડે જ્યારે આ બે already consider કરના તો જ આવે ને. So let's say we have already considered this and we have already considered this. Now you cannot do it on the entire ring, because if you do it on the entire ring આ નીચેનું તો already count થતું જ જાય ને. આને આમ ફેરવો એટલે આ ધીરે ધીરે આમ ફરતું જાય. So if you do half of it then also you have already done it. એવું થાય ને if you take 2. સમજાય છે? So what have I done? We are not even considering this one. આનું કામ કરી ગયું. આનું કામ થતું just to realize this sentence. What sentence? That you don't need to worry about vertical component, only worry about horizontal. Once that is done, we simply ignore this. Now there is only one and we are going to do it over the whole ring. Double આગળ કરો તો integration half નું કરો. I hope you realize what I am saying. Right? કારણ કે ઉપર નીચે already count થઈ ગયા. પાછું બે વાર કરો તો બે વાર થઈ જાય. Right? So this is what we are getting. Fine, but there are more forms, easier forms to but more useful. Shall I start explaining that? Okay. Right? So first thing that we will do here is, starting from here, I will say that if I put small r value from this figure, what do you think it is? From this figure, small r value, under root r square plus r square. Yes or no? X square. Okay. Now I can also write that b is equal to mu 0 I r square upon 2 x square plus r square raised to 3 by 2. Did you get that? Okay, there we go. This is square and into cube root. Correct or not? When you take square root half power, cube root into 3. Got it? Yes. So this is it. Now, if loop or coil has n turns, how many n turns? Instead of 1, there are n turns. Then P is equal to mu 0 NIR square upon 2 into x square plus r square raised to 3. Any formula? Any formula? Magnetic field on axis of a point. Okay, current carrying circular form. Actually, circle matter because we have taken radius and all. Is it fine? Yeah, but you know, x might create confusion. So, derive, but finally, I want you to remember it this way, so that the symbol that we have always been using. So, now derive only, no problem. Here, what is x? Distance of the point P from the center. Got it? Here, what is r? बराबर है, अलग है. Don't get confused between the two. Symbol change करना है कोई ले. R અને R same नहीं, please. Okay. ये confusion था ये. नत्ता तो नहीं confusion.
n turns है तो x ની value change नहीं.
Yeah, good question. What if there are n turns? Lots of turns. So R thick થઈ જાય કે પછી. Okay, so generally we use this when the n turns are closely wound. Closely wound in the sense एक जगह पर makes sense, with a very thin wire. So generally we have to use this when this point P is quite far. If P is going to be quite far, then that won't make that much of a difference. Understood? Back to case purpose. As you wind more turns, definitely the distance will change. So it's called closely wound. Together. Infinite terms with it. When I'm infinite wire doing it, but infinite paisa do. Okay. But that wire will also have infinite resistance. And then current 0 जावे. Current 0 is the magnetic field 0. So derivation થાય નહીં. So mark say 0. બરાબર. એવું થયું ને કોઈ કે derive magnetic field પછી આપણે લખવું પડે we are taking infinite wire, so resistance is infinite, current is 0, magnetic field is also 0. Okay, so બધી આવડશે ને હવે આમાં. બરાબર. I current, capital R radius. આની ડાયરેક્શન શું આવશે? resultant magnetic field will be in which direction? Along the axis. એના માટે sentence લખાવજો. ચલો. Resultant field is along the axis and direction is found by closing right hand fingers in direction of current. Thumb points obviously towards magnetic field. Okay, right hand thumb. Basically, right hand thumb rule is same. Thumb points towards magnetic field. Remember, this is only valid on the axis. Formula is there and our direction the method. Let me clarify everything. This that we have derived and this that I am writing here, both of these are only valid for magnetic field on the axis. Side માં હોય તો magnitude syllabus માં નથી because of lots of complications. And ત્યાં થોડું ઉપર કરો એટલે distance બધી બાજુથી બધા change છે. Okay, that is a really very difficult integral. Okay, it is તમારા syllabus માં નથી. હા, direction નો આવડવું જોઈએ. So for that we will draw one little diagram. આનો શું meaning છે એ સમજાવજો. Here current we have taken it this way. Yes or no? આમ છે ને current. Sure. So magnetic field of this current will be arm current. The thumb point towards the right hand side. Your right side. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Magnetic field will point towards the right side. આમ છે ને અહીંયા આમ જાય અહીંયા આમ જાય આમ થશે. So this way it will be towards the right side. Clear? Sure? બીજી રીતે જો આ ટીપી આમ છે ટીપી આમ છે એનું રિઝલ્ટ ક્યાં? પેરેલલ ગ્રાઉન્ડ લો ઓફ એડિશન આવડે કે નહીં? આમ અહીંયા આવશે.
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
સમજાઈ ગયું? Both the methods. Let's draw a complete diagram. Suppose here loop and current is same way as we have shown here. So magnetic field line છે ને આમ જશે આ સેન્ટર માં પછી એક આમ જશે પછી આમ ફરીને આવે. Magnetic field lines will always form close to. એવું કેમ થાય એ પછી આવશે. Arrows are very important. Don't forget that. આ સમજાણું કે ન સમજાણું? Have it. Got it? What happened? શું થયું? એક ફીલ્ડ લાઈન સ્ટ્રેટ છે બરાબર ને? એવું કેમ? Because it is going till infinity. બરાબર વચ્ચે ઘણી બધી હશે of course. Right? So this is how the field lines are drawn. See, it can be very tricky also. ચલો એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું. આ રિંગ છે, કરંટ ઇઝ flowing. મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ ની ડાયરેક્શન કઈ રીતે ફાઇન્ડ કરાય? તો મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ ડાયરેક્શન क्या होगी? M dot. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? Everyone remember this?
Yes.
Now I want you to find magnetic field at the center of the ring. In what direction will it be? At the center. Center axis ઉપર છે કે નહીં? Both of these formula are only valid on axis. Is the center on the axis of the ring? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where the center the axis ઉપર જોઈએ ને? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So અહીંયા center પર magnetic field ની direction શું? Use the sentence. Very good. So શું આવશે? Dot or cross?
Dot.
Dot. Clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Dot. સમજાણું? હવે ફીલ્ડ લાઈન ઇમેજિન કરો. ફીલ્ડ લાઈન આમાંથી આમ બહાર નીકળશે. Watch this and watch this. Field line will come out from here, correct? પછી શું થશે? આમ સાઈડમાં જશે. And then it will go back from here. તો કોઈ એક પૂછે આ પોઈન્ટ પર મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ ડાયરેક્શન because of this current તો શું આવે? Cross આવશે, dot નહીં આવે. Did you understand?
Yes.
અહીંયા શું આવશે?
Cross.
Cross?
Yes.
Your what?
Cross.
Cross is correct. Same logic. Field line will come out from within the loop and then it will go back from the side. જો ને આ ફિગર શું indicate કરે? અહીંયા અંદરથી આમ જાય. પછી બહારથી આમ ફરી પાછળ. Did you get that?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure. તો અહીંયા cross. અહીંયા
Cross.
cross. અહીંયા 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 આવડી. સમજી ગયા ને? Clear or not clear? કરંટ ઊંધો કરીએ તો બધી જગ્યાએ મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ ઊંધું છે. Got it? બરાબર? કન્ફ્યુઝન નહીં? ઓકે, આટલું ડેરિવેશન સમજાઈ ગયું? હવે આના સ્પેશિયાલિટી. ડાયપોલમાં આવું હતું યાદ છે? That if you take a short dipole means what? It is very small compared to the distance. Distance is big, dipole is small. એવામાં કરવાનું. ચલો, special case 1. Don't worry, there are no special numbers, only 1 and 2. Okay, special case 1 means for large distance. અહીંયાથી ચાલુ કરું છું. For large distance x much greater than r. તો શું કરવાનું? x square plus r square can be written nearly equal to r square. અરે x square. Is that okay or not okay? તો અહીંયાથી જોઈન નથી કરતો ને. Is it fine? X square plus r square much greater than x much greater than r. So x square plus r square is nearly equal to x square. So all of them therefore p is equal to, so હવે mu 0 n I r square divided by x cube and 2. Did you understand? Okay or not okay? Sure. Special case number 2. આ બધી યાદ રાખવાની છે. So wise choice, remember this very nicely. આ કે આ બે છે એ યાદ રાખો. Okay, and then learn to put the values quickly. Is that okay? ऐसे डायपोल में आउट થતું હતું ને કે એક જનરલ યાદ હોય તો ઓલી તરત થઈ જાય. You remember that? Take special case 2. At the center of loop or ring or point. At the center. B. At the center. Alright? Okay, center માં શું કરવાનું? આપણને શું ચેન્જ કરવું પડે? સેન્ટર માટે x equal to 0. I hope you have the diagram with you. જો ઓલો પોઈન્ટ p સાઈડ માં છે એને મૂકી દો સેન્ટર પર. So for that x value should be equal to 0. Clear or not clear? To put x value 0. તો શું થશે? mu 0 ni by mu 0 ni by 2r. બરાબર ને? ઓકે ઓર નોટ ઓકે? નીચે 2r ક્યુબ આવશે એમ લખાવવું પડશે. લખાવવું પડશે mu 0 ni r square upon 2 into 0 plus r square. 0 plus r square શું થાય? r square થાય ને. So r square is to 3/2. How much? r cube. So r square upon 2r cube. તો શું પડશે? સમજાણું ને? So mu 0 ni by 2r. So this is the formula of what? Magnetic field at the what? At the center of the loop, ring or point. Okay? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Mu 0 is magnetic field. N is number of turns. I is current flowing in loop or coil or ring. Capital R is radius of the circle. Is that okay? Sure. Your seniors used to remember it by saying Munni by 2r. Alright? Okay, you can try and remember it. Okay? Turn it off now.